welcome to Inspector Zeb's Gadget Explosion, Bienvenue and all that. We've got a pretty damn good show coming up for you today. Got some excellent gadgets sent to us from red5.co.uk and also thanks to misfitcostumes.com for all your stuff. Right, I've got the corporate stuff out of the way, let's talk about the gadgets. First up, we're going to see this, the Wild Sling, the mighty Wild Sling. Right, now I'll tell you a bit about it. Revive the child in you with the Wild Sling catapult. You can fire water bombs up to 200 feet. All you need is a couple of mates. That's it, they each hold it. Boom! You whack people with water bombs. Go and look at it. Go and watch the insert right now. Go and see it. Go, get off me. Go and see it. Go and see it. Welcome to Inspector Zeb's Gadget Explosion. We know it's a long title, but it's brilliant. We're going to be testing out the Wild Sling today. Joe, throw it towards me. This is it. We'll show you more about it in a sec, but come and meet our testee. This is just a man in a frog costume, and we're going to be shooting him with the Wild Sling. There he is. Right, so let's do it. The awesome power of the Wild Sling. Go!
Beats, rock the funky beats, the funky beats. If you don't really like to rock the funky beats.
Alright, yeah. Goodbye, see you later, yeah, catch you later.
Hello and welcome back to the studio after that frog-tastic Wild Sling. See what I've done there? Frog-tastic fan. Anyway, we're going to now try out the Fingerbeat mixer. Let me tell you a bit about it first of all. It's portable music fun. Tap it onto your desk, a computer, plug it in your MP3 player. You can do what you want with it. Check out what we've done with it. Go on, go and see it, man. It's wicked. This is the Fingerbeat mixer. Just getting the crowd going with this. Just yeah, DJ Beck's coming up, yeah? Can you lead me to it now? Cheers.
Check it out, that was Bex on the wheels of steel, but she wasn't really. She was using the Fingerbeats mixer, which was brilliant. For all the whistle posse and the horn posse out there, we're still living the hardcore dream. Anyway, let's go check some other gadgets out. Here we go, that way.
Hello, this is a test run of the Pico Z. What I was going to do was film it against this beautiful city landscape, but it kind of wasn't happening because it's just not big enough for the Pico Z to handle. So I'm going to attempt to fly it around this building. Please follow me. Take two. 3. Take 4. Right, well that is the Pico Z. I can't seem to fly it. Now that might be because I'm a girl or I'm just rubbish. But I think you do need like a bit of a wide open space just so you can like take it high and whiz it round. Maybe even outside, I'm not sure, but I'm rubbish. This is actually I don't know why I'm talking like a robot. This is the Pico Z. It's actually quite smashed up because of me and gone, I actually can't fly it. So why don't you go away, buzz off and find somebody that can.
Welcome back to Gadget Explosion. There was Becky flying the Pico Z, which is actually really cool, just she can fly it because she's got a girl brain and can't handle all the information. Right, next we're going to look at the Fingerbeats bongos. And what we had to do for this was get a proper drummer in to test them. But first, let me tell you some info about it off this scrap of paper. Fingerbeats portable music fun. Everybody taps along on a desk to their favourite tune. Well, this is the next step forwards. You can even plug an MP3 player into this hole, into this orifice. Just stick it in and it'll play it. It's like a speaker as well, and then you can bong along to it. It's brilliant. Go and have a look at what we did. Go on. Now we're here because we're with Joe, who's our drummer. Can you play the drums, Joe? Yeah. Yeah, so he's going to play some drums for us and we'll see how people play the drums. And then we're going to give him the Fingerbeats bongos and see if a drummer can play the Fingerbeats bongos. So here we go. Alright, we're back in the studio after we did some drumming with Joe, who's a mighty behemoth of a man. Joe! But anyway, we're going to go and get him to do some bongoing on the Fingerbeats bongos, but first he needs to go and get changed into his bongo gear. Away you go, Joe! Behemoth! Bang! Okay, the time on my watch says that Joe should now be changed, our drummer slash bongo player. So let's bring him back, Joe! So Joe, do you always dress like this to play the bongos?
I'm on.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, let's just move on and get to Joe playing the bongos. Here we go. Off this way, please. Thanks. Fingerbeats bongos. So let's give Joe a go and see what you can do with these. Right, you've been watching Inspector Zeb's Gadget Explosion, and I've got to say, it's been brilliant. We've had the Pico Z, the Fingerbeats Mixer, the Fingerbeats Bongos, and the Wild Sling. They're all available from red5.co.uk. So get your little fingers on there and buy some stuff, because it's really good. We'll be back next week with some more gadgets. See you later. I'm going.